while, we are going to talk about how to eliminate answer options in order to make our chances of being correct higher. Because the more options that you eliminate, the higher probability you have to get the right answer, as long as you're obviously eliminating the correct options. So we are looking at an article from an SAT passage, and it goes without saying that probably you've already read this passage before you start eliminating answers. So we're going to look at this with the idea that hypothetically you've already read the passage. This question refers to a specific line, so we can actually go to that portion of the text and reread the items around it in order to find the answer. So the question is, why does Akira say his meeting with she is a matter of urgency in line 32? And that is right here. But I come with a matter of urgency. In order to answer that, though, you have to read the stuff around it, and then you can more easily eliminate answers. I'm going to do that right now. You have already read this, remember? You've already read it, so it's easier. You know what the text is about, and you can just eliminate what you need to, okay? So let's start here. Akira was waiting in the entry. He was in his early 20s, slim and serious, wearing the black military-style uniform of a student. As he bowed, his hands hanging straight down, a black cap in one, a yellow oil paper umbrella in the other. She glanced beyond him. In the glistening surface of the courtyard's rain-drenched paving stones, she saw his reflection like a dark double. "Madame," said Akira, "forgive my disruption, but I come with a matter of urgency." His voice was soft, refined. He straightened and stole a deferential peek at her face. In the dim light, his eyes shone with sincerity. She felt herself starting to like him. "Come inside. Get out of this nasty night. Surely your business can wait for a moment or two." "I don't want to trouble you. Normally I would approach you more properly, but I've received word of a position. I've an opportunity to go to America as dentist for Seattle's Japanese community." "Congratulations," she said with amusement. "That is an opportunity, I'm sure. But how am I involved?" So we're going to stop there. So let's look at this. Why does Akira say his meeting with she is a matter of urgency? A, he fears that his own parents will disapprove of Naomi. So you need to know about his parents and Naomi. B, he worries that Naomi will reject him and marry someone else. C, he has been offered an attractive job in another country. Or D, he knows that she is unaware of his feelings for Naomi. Okay, so this should be pretty easy to answer, even just based on this, even if you haven't read the whole passage. But at the same time, let's eliminate some of the options, okay? So we know that this is probably not the answer because it relates directly to an attractive job offer, okay? We know that it says he knows that she is unaware of his feelings for Naomi, okay? If you've read the passage, you know whether or not that's true. But if at the same time, we know that he's talking about his opportunity to go to America to be a dentist for Seattle's Japanese community, okay? So if you look at this, we know that he has an attractive job offer, okay? So he's very, urgency means like you're doing something quickly, okay? So he is in a hurry to get an answer. So technically we could probably eliminate all of these. So we have a very good chance of getting the answer correct. Okay, even if you eliminated just 2, you have a 50% chance. If you eliminate 1, you have a 1 in 3 chance of getting the answer correct. Because if you eliminate 1, then you have 3 options then. Okay, so a 1 in 3 chance of getting it correct. So the more that you eliminate, the better.